I purchased this item because I wanted to protect my car's floors from dirt and spills. I like to use this item for keeping my Chevrolet Chevy Trax's interior clean and new looking. They are custom fit for my car model, durable TPE material, and a sleek black design. They fit perfectly, are easy to clean, and really protect the car's interior. I'm really happy with these floor mats. They do exactly what they're supposed to do and look good doing it. They're easy to install and maintenance is a breeze. I'd recommend them to any Chevy Trax owner who wants to keep their car clean and protected. Who do I recommend who buy this item? Any Chevy Trax owner looking for high quality, durable, and stylish floor mats should consider these. They're great for anyone who wants to keep their car's interior in top condition,